draw a tree like this. So let's see how we have achieved this. So let me go to file, select new and click on general. Make sure that you have this default cube of yours, do not delete it. Okay, so now I will go into this is object mode over here. I'll click on tab and it goes to edit mode. So when I'm on edit mode, I have this vertex select. Okay, this is the face select, edge select, and this is the face select. So when I'm in this vertex select, I'll click on this cube of mine and I will say merge vertices at the center. So if you see, the cube has got shrunk and it's got merged at the center. Now what I'm going to do is I need to draw the branches of the tree. So since I need to draw the branches of the tree, I will click on extrude. So I just type E on the keyboard and I've got my first branch. Then I will come to this point and I will say E again and I will take the second branch. Then wherever again you want a branch, you go there and click on E, and then this will be the third branch. So on so forth. You can just click on the edges and click on extrude. So I'll click here and I will say E. Again I'll click here and I will say E. Alright, so this is what I have done. So this looks like the basic outline of the branches of the tree. So now I need to give it a kind of a bark look, like the trunks of the tree, so that kind of a look. So at the moment I don't need this camera, so I'll just delete it. So to delete, I just click on X, then I don't need this. So I'll click on X and I will say yes. So I have gotten rid of those two things, and now I will click on the edit mode again. Okay, so let me just multi select this. Once I multi select this,